Hi, in this video, we will explore the editing options you have when you are finished recording a video in Screencastify. So here's just a demo video that I've created. This is your video page that you will end up at. And so your first option is just to use the Lightning Editor, which is located down here. The Lightning Editor is great to trim off just the beginning or end of a video. So you can just take your little scissors and you can move them to cut the beginning and ends of video. So maybe I want to trim a couple seconds off the front and a couple seconds off the back. And again, all I did was just drag the scissors to the point that I would want them to be. When you're done, you can click Save Trim. It will give you a pop-up option. And so then it will trim your video. So again, right on the video page, the Lightning Editor will let you just trim the beginning and ends of your video. If you want to do some higher level editing, then you're going to want to open up the editor in Screencastify. So I'm going to pause this video so the sound doesn't play. Um, and so I'm going to open up the full editor in Screencastify. It will open up in a separate tab. It might take a minute or two to load up. But once it does, you'll see that you have more options in the full editor. You can edit your video. You can cut it into different clips. You can delete clips. You have the option to add text as an overlay. So let's go ahead and explore that. So down here, you have your timeline. I'm going to go ahead and play my video. So let's just say I want to pause it right here. And if I click on my timeline, you'll notice that it's now highlighted yellow, and I can cut, I can crop, I can add text, or I can delete the clip. So let's first show you the cut. So I'm going to go ahead and click my scissors, and all that's done now is instead of having one long clip, I have two clips. You can actually drag your clips around. Now this won't make sense for this video, but you can drag your clips around. You can even delete clips. So if this is a clip that maybe was just kind of some dead air, once it's highlighted in yellow, you can click on the trash can to delete that clip. The other option you have, let's just put my playhead marker here, is you can add text. So now you'll see there's like a little text box feature here. And once you see that write something, you can go ahead and type in your text. So whatever your text you want to have, you have some formatting options that you can choose from. You can choose the location of where you want your text to show up. And then down here, you can determine how long do you want that text to actually show on your video. So that's your text option. You have the option to crop your video. So maybe there's like excess on your screen that you don't want to include, you can crop it. And the other really nice feature that you have is you can add in another clip. So if you've been recording multiple clips and you want to put them together in one video, you would just click on this plus sign and you can upload a video or you can add a video from your Google Drive. So the full feature editor has a ton of great options to enhance your video once you're done recording.